Kyle, the Angry Archaeologist. Today we're trying out the model trebuchet as promised. Now
So just a little experimental archaeology. What you notice is that the size of the ordnance really does matter a lot. This counterweight is filled with rocks. Actually it's quartz, so it's chert, what archaeologists look for. And the cranking arm has to be turned counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, and then when the stopper is put out, when the arm is all the way down, you gotta make sure that the sling is across the board here before you put the ordnance in, and that the sling on the stopper on the throwing arm needs to be about halfway, as you can see the string there, so that the trebuchet can actually shoot, right? And the stopper is pulled by this string, and 1, 2. So that's what we learned today in Angry Archaeology. About 1, 2, 3. Woo! In action, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
That's pretty good.
Okay. Hold. Hold.